Hey everybody, it's Beth. I grabbed this round hanger from Dollar Tree as well as this stencil from Amazon. I placed a stencil on the wood round and kind of marked off where the two sections meet. And then on those markings, I put down some masking tape. On one side, I brushed on some antique wax by Waverly, blended that all in with a baby wipe. I did the same thing on the sides as well as the entire back. Once that was completely dry, I taped off the wax section on the front and painted the other side with ink chalk paint by Waverly. Next, I'm taking this 12-inch round stencil and pixie spray, both I got from Amazon. I spray the pixie spray on the back of the stencil. It gives it a light tack so it stays in place when working with it. I lined it up, making sure to get my sections right over those painted colors. Tape off some of the pumpkins so I don't get this paint on it. The Hello Pumpkin, I'm using antique parchment acrylic paint and a stencil brush. I make sure to have very minimal paint on the brush when using it. That will help prevent bleeding through of the paint. For the pumpkins, I used fired clay chalk paint by Folkart. Both of those got 2 coats. I made sure it was completely dry and then took a small paintbrush and filled in the gaps left by the stencil. Next, I'm making a messy bow. I take a few different style ribbons. I tend to use around 5. It just fills in the best for me. I'm taking the different ribbons, pinching it in the center, and making an X in my hand, keeping it nice and tight as I alternate the different colors. I like to use smaller size ribbons, around 1.5 inches. If the ribbon is 2.5 inches, I just cut it in half. When I have it completely filled in, I wrap some twine around the center and tie a couple of knots in the back. And I do cut off the excess twine. I kind of pull apart the different ribbons and pull them upward and trim off any pieces that are too long. Next, I'm taking the hanger that was originally on it and pushing the twine through the holes on the front and making a couple of knots, cutting off the excess, doing the same thing on the other side. And then the last thing I do is hot glue the bow over to the top left. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.